Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. Is lasagna just as good in a crock pot? You bet! And there's a secret to making it rich and creamy. Here's what you'll need. Lasagna noodles, no need to cook them ahead. Pasta sauce, store-bought, or you could make your own by sauteing some onion and garlic, then adding ground beef and Italian sausage, diced tomatoes or tomato sauce, and fresh basil. Cook it up and set aside. For the filling, it's mozzarella, ricotta or cottage cheese, a little Parmesan, and an egg. Mix that up and set aside. And now for Béchamel sauce for over-the-top lasagna. Melt butter and mix the same amount of flour to make a roux. Add milk and cook until thick and creamy. Time for the crock pot. Start with pasta sauce, then break up the noodles and layer. Next is the cheese mixture and the bechamel. Repeat until the crock pot is filled. Turn it to low in the morning and it's ready for dinner time. Lasagna, slow cooked and sensational. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.